Hey everyone, Crafts with Crashly here. I have another Diamond Art Club Black Friday sneak peek for you. Super exciting. This is another Peggy Collins. This one is Dixie, the stained glass Dachshund. I've always struggled with that word, but I think it's a Dachshund. It's called Dachshund, yeah. And this is a square kit. It is a 104.8 centimeters by 69.9 centimeters. Look how freaking adorable it is. Oh my gosh. So we have their Diamond Art Club box with the picture wrapped around here. We have another thumbnail here. Looks like it is going to be 61 colors, including 2 ABs and 4 fairy dust. Total diamonds, 118,301. Dang. And we have our thumbnail at the bottom here, and like in case you like to store your paintings, you know, stacked, you can easily tell what's what. So let's go ahead and dive into it. Diamond Art Club has really gone all out this year for their Black Friday releases, y'all. Make sure if you're newer here, or if you haven't already, hit that bell on the channel here so you get notified when I post another video. I have lots of Black Friday sneak peeks coming for you guys. And I love Peggy Collins's artwork. She's an animal lover, does lots of animal art, and you know, I'm obsessed with animals too, so we're going to do a quick look at the toolkit here. Not going to go in too much detail. I do have other unboxing videos outside of the Black Friday releases that go more in depth of the toolkit in case you're interested. So we have our twisty pen here. You just take the cap off here, you slowly twist, and the putty comes out for you. We have our refillable putty. Extra baggies. We have their upgraded tray with the multi-placer and wax in case you don't like, you know, the putty game. So there's the upgraded toolkit. There we go. We have our thank you card here. I'm going to just zoom in real quick. And we open it up. We see our tips and tricks at the top there. A little quick step-by-step instructions, kit contents. We have our QR code for their Facebook group. Make sure you're in that group and you can see what's going to be released on Black Friday. And if it's your first time purchasing from Diamond Art Club, take a look at the description of this video. If you click that link, it's my affiliate link. So I get a little bit of a kickback and you get an extra discount. So check that out. Then we open it up here. We have another thumbnail here of the super cute painting. Look at those colors. You have tons of purples and oh, look at those eyes. Oh my gosh, super cute. And we have our stickers here that you can use to label your containers. You can see, and they're not like the crazy cheapo stickers either. They're, you know, they're nice stickers. So there's our symbols, what we're looking at, 61 colors. And now Diamond Art Club moved their ABs down to the end here. So we have 2 ABs. We have AB 917, AB 918. And then we have the 4 fairy dusts, Z444, Z907, Z3766, and Z6012. Super cute. Use those to label, you know. Alright, gonna set this aside and we're gonna get on into it. I cannot wait to see this. And we do have our trading card here. So this is another collectible kind of item you can get for the newer paintings that they have. It has the title, the artist, the size here. And there's 4 different tiers of rarity with these cards. I think this one is bronze, maybe? I don't know. But if you go to Diamond Art Club's website, you could check these out. They have 4 different tiers of the rarity, and then you can actually exchange them in for gift cards. They even have a custom diamond painting option. On the back is where you could scratch off the code to claim those rewards. I really like the cards. Look how shiny they are. Super cute. So another little collectible item for you. Diamond Art Club is always, you know, releasing different ways to be extra, and I just love it because I'm an extra kind of gal. Let's go ahead and take this canvas out of the plastic here. And I go ahead and zoom back out a little bit more. There we go. All right. Let's see if I'm going to get it the right way here. I never do. Oh, here we go. Look at that. Oh, that is so cute. Look at those eyes. I'm obsessed with the eyes. Oh my gosh. This is a big old canvas. Let me zoom out a little bit more here. I'm curled up on the end of my desk here. This thing is massive. Oh my goodness. What was the size of it again? I gotta look it back up. Oh, it's right here on the bottom. Yeah, this is a 104.8 centimeters by 69.9. Absolutely humongous. It has a huge array of colors too. Wow, that's so pretty. So we do have the dots here on the perforated plastic. Now I know Diamond Art Club did have some issues with the red dotted line here with it bleeding through because they didn't know, they didn't realize that there was like a side that goes up and a side that can go down. So let's see. And this one did not bleed through. So if I zoom in here, you can see this red dot line here. If I pull the plastic up, it is not there. So no bleed through on this one. Awesome. And if you're new to their perforated plastic or you're not sure what that is, it's just another way that you can section off the painting. It's just kind of, so you don't have to use the washi tape method and, you know, worry about it ripping in all sorts of crazy directions. So yeah, look at all these colors. Oh my gosh. I love, like, stained glass anything, I think is just so pretty. And I just love the way she sections everything off into different colors. This is so beautiful. Probably didn't get to see this side over here because it's so massive. So it's like it goes into lighter pastel colors over here. Let's zoom in just a little bit. You can see the symbols. So it has like the dark outline. This is his ear. So pretty. I love it. Okay, let's take a look at the different colors here. Let's see if I can get this to cooperate. Okay, we have lots and lots of different colors. A huge array too. Let's get this open up and we'll go through them. If I could find where it opens. Here we go. All right. Let's put that over there. Lots of colors. Woo! Okay. Start over here. So we have this blue color, 796. 1, 2, 3, 4 big bags of 796. Then we have 311. And here we get to the 310s. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bags of 310. Then we have 550 sprinkled in here before we get to the 3371s. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, 6 big bags of 3371, and then 939 at the end here. Let's set this over here. All right, then we have more 939. So 1, 2, 3 more big old bags of 939s. We have 3746, 300, 3837, 780, 154, 2 bags of 154. It's like a really deep red. 936, 3818, 782, 580, 814, 2 bags of 814, 3852, 732. Here's one of our fairy dust, Z444. It's like a really bright, I said purple, yellow, bright yellow, 3820, 3838. Okay, it's a huge array of crazy colors. Awesome. 3838, 2 bags of bright blue, 995, 801, 2 bags of 333, 726, it's a really bright yellow too, 3849, 3845, 2 bags of 3799s, 991, 3765, 3808, 3848, 733, 3842, 829, really bright green, 911. Pretty. All right, we have this one and then like a smaller one next. All right, 166, 813, 803. Here's an AB with some green pals in here. This is AB 917. So pretty. AB 918, 3607. Here's our other fairy dust, green one, Z907, 3815, 915, 304, 600, 3781, 844, 718, 470, 720, 6011, 666, 906, 554. One more tiny strand here. Here's our other fairy dust, blue fairy dust, Z3766, 3834, 815, 553. Ooh, a purple fairy dust, Z6012. Beautiful. Okay, I'm going to check out to see where most of these ABs and fairy dusts are. Just a moment. All right, a big portion of the ABs and the fairy dusts are really sprinkled throughout all of the stained glass little sections here. A big portion of those yellow, I think it was the yellow fairy dust, yes, is here in the highlights of his snout. But yeah, they're all just really sprinkled throughout. I'm going to give you a little zoomed in image here. This is like his forehead-ish. But you can see we have the black outline, and then all the colors are really just sprinkled in. This is lots of confetti with some, black color blocking for the outlines. But yeah, it gets into lighter colors towards the left side here. It's really stunning. I bet this is going to look incredible done. Peggy Collins is amazing. So yes, grab your Dixie, that's her name, Dixie, the stained glass Dachshund. It's going to be released on Black Friday along with tons and tons of other paintings. So like I said, if you haven't hit that bell yet, hit that bell. I have tons more sneak peeks coming at you from Black Friday, and join their Facebook VIP group. They're posting every day about new paintings coming out. So definitely check it out so you know what's coming and what you're going to shoot for. And if you're brand new here, hit that subscribe button and then hit the thumbs up on your way out. Until next time, everyone, bye-bye.